welcome to this Fastest Wins Beach Race competition. The rules are simple. 2 cars go head to head along their tracks, and whoever reaches the finish line first wins. And I don't think there'll be much to judge today, so we don't need a judge. We always need a judge.
Yeah, what if Batman tries to cheat?
Hey, I don't cheat. If anyone will cheat, it'll be the Joker.
Alright, I'll see who I can get. Hello? Hi, I know you're having the day off, but would you like to be today's judge? Excellent, see you soon. There.
Who did you call?
Me! I'd love to be the judge.
Great, so everyone, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. Simba versus Black Panther up first. Uh-oh, Simba hit the post. So it's an easy win for Black... Oh no, he hasn't crossed the line. So who wins?
Bumblebee?
Black Panther is very close to the finish, so he goes through. Owlet versus Hulk. Hulk wins! Great effort from Owlet, but Hulk beat her to the finish, so goes through. Everest versus SpongeBob. Now SpongeBob's hit the post, so Everest wins it and is into the next round. Woody versus Nemo. Oh, Woody knocked Nemo into the finish. Nice one, Nemo. Batman versus Captain America. Ooh, well neither of them have crossed the line, but Batman is very close to it, so is into the next round. Ace versus the Joker. Ace bumped the Joker into the finish. Well done, Joker. Red versus Rascal Funling. Ooh, very fast, but it's Rascal Funling who wins it and goes through. And Marshall versus McQueen. Hey, how'd they do that? They're both sideways.
Bumblebee?
I guess we'll have to see who's closest to the finish. Wow, not much in that, but Marshall is just closer, so he's into the next round.
So these competitors won that round.
Who can win again? Hulk versus Black Panther. Hulk wins! He was just too quick for Black Panther there. Well done. Nemo versus Everest. Oh dear. Well, Everest is upside down, and although Nemo is facing the fence, he's closest to the finish, so goes through. The Joker versus Batman.
Gotta win this, gotta win this.
I can't let Batman win. Batman wins!
Yes, haha, see you later, Joker.
Oh. And Marshall versus Rascal Funling. Ooh, Rascal Funling spun over the line, so you go through.
So these are our semi-finalists. Now we'll change the track slightly. Ta-da! The same rules apply as before. First to the finish wins, but now they'll have to break through the fence and drop down into the finish.
Nemo versus Hulk first. Oh no, Hulk fell off the wrong side. So although he hasn't crossed the line, Nemo is our first finalist. And Rascal Funling versus Batman. Again, no one has crossed the finish, but Batman is just closer, so is into the final 2.
So, this is it. The final.
Between Nemo
and Batman. One race, one winner.
But who will it be?
Ready, go!
Batman has crossed the finish line.
So that means today's winner is Batman.
Oh, now I really wish I'd beaten him earlier.
Well done.